Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about shutdown or lockdown, which is written now. Our today's question is: state shutdowns are inevitable, but they must be used to augment the health system. We have to comment on it. First of all, what is the question's demand? It is about state shutdown, not lockdown, not proper lockdown. And we have to provide why it is inevitable, about health system, how to augment it, and comment means your personal opinion you can provide in the way forward. So let's start. What is the significance of particular question is? It may be asked in GS paper 2, GS paper 3. In GS paper 2 it was asked in under section government policies and interventions, health issues, then arising out of design and implementation of policies. If it was asked in GS paper 3, then what is the section is? Economic, it was growth. Economic growth and development. So you can start with the best case scenario is you can start with current scenario. So let's start. Our introduction would be: India is currently facing second wave of COVID-19 pandemic which claims so many lives, and experts says that we can't control this situation, then we face the third wave of COVID-19 which is more devastating than the second wave. That's why so many states are arising and going out for the shutdowns, like recently done in Delhi, Maharashtra, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Kerala, UP. But it will be give positive outcome if we break the chain and improve the healthcare system and facilities. Why it is inevitable? Because rapid increase in cases due to negligence of WHO guidelines, rise number of cases in and facilities, mortalities, mutation of virus, you know about it. The second wave is more devastating and third wave is likely more devastating than second wave because of mutation of viruses. Changing nature of virus is called mutation of virus. Huge gathering of people and in rallies, marriages, and on religious front. Vaccine hesitancy in some people and overcrowding of vaccine center who want to vaccinate themselves and so on. Then lack of medical facilities such as vaccine, oxygen cylinder, medical staff, primary health care facilities like pregnancy and child care. Then lack of accountability because there is no single higher accountable authority in the health sector in India. Then lack of infrastructure and poor implementation or data collection, data management, and also reason it was also a reason behind the various fatalities. Other issues like corruption, black marketing of vaccine, oxygen cylinder, medicines, and expensive treatment, then huge number of population, then non-availability of food and shelter for migrant laborers and workers. On government level, it is lack of coordination between state and center and lack of funding to combat with COVID-19. However, there are so many negative impacts of shutdown, such as like it may lead unemployment, inflation, and slow down the economic activities and recovery. But it is important to stop spread of COVID-19 and we can break the chain and also provide time to government and it also provide time to government to improve healthcare facilities. Then what is our way forward means what is our comment on it? We can we can break the chain by shutdown, but we need to improve our healthcare facilities, need to fast our testing and vaccination programs. I also need to establish oxygen plants, then need to encourage people to follow COVID appropriate behavior and WHO guidelines. Government must sanitize various cities to break the infection chain. We can also use artificial intelligence at COVID centers to reduce the risk of infection to doctors and other medical staff. Then state and center should collaborate together and provide more funding to states to combat with COVID-19. Also need to increase awareness campaigns and we can also issue helpline numbers of directly connect with the infected person who are in need and use online consultation to reduce overcrowding, increase infrastructure and also increase doctors and other medical staff by using final year students. India is produced 50,000 doctors every year. We need to use them. Our conclusion would be, to conclude, we can say shutdown is good step, welcome step for this time to break the chain, but it is not only solution. So with that, we need to improve our healthcare facilities. On the other hand, we must focus on poor and marginal section of the society like daily wagers, migrant laborers, by providing them food grains and financial aid like Tamil Nadu government announced about it. By all of these measures, we can curb COVID-19 spread, and it will help us to achieve Sustainable Development Goal 3, which is good health and well-being. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.